engineer?
Yeah.
Bell ringer, we got it all, baby. Sound. Or any other you went through. Any other.
4 years before I was built. Been many years yet. As long as they take care of her, most guys make them take care of her. Back, do all the work, keep them up. And they should go for 50 more years.
Very good.
Great Lake Steel, getting back to Detroit from Boblo Island.
On the river quite often, yeah.
So freighter's been converted to a barge near Fort York.
Rudder's gone. No rudder on it. Rudder was way ahead.
Comes the sister ship of the Columbia, steamship St. Clair, not the motor vessel St. Clair. Built and commissioned 2 years after the Columbia. Very nice picture. Twin ships passing under the Ambassador Bridge. Coming into the landing, downtown Detroit, behind Joe Louis Arena. It's a famous people mover. Oval Hall, Rent Center. Beautiful skyline in Detroit.